Welcome to the fascinating world of chocolate and granola bar production, where craftsmanship meets technology, and simple ingredients transform into delicious treats. Our journey begins in the heart of the factory, where raw cacao beans, harvested from lush tropical regions, are meticulously sorted and prepared for roasting. Each bean tells a story of its origin, and it's essential that we select only the finest for our chocolate. Once the cacao beans are ready, they are loaded into a state-of-the-art rotating drum roaster. As the machine gently spins, the heat begins to coax out the natural flavors and aromas locked within the beans. The sound of the beans tumbling in the drum is like music to the ears of chocolate lovers. It signifies that magic is happening. Over the next few minutes, the beans roast to perfection, developing their rich, complex flavors while turning from a deep purple to a beautifully toasted brown. After roasting, the beans are transferred to a specialized machine equipped with 3 powerful fans. These fans blow air through the beans, separating the outer husks from the valuable cacao nibs inside. The sight of the husks flying away while the cacao nibs remain behind is a testament to the precision of the process. The nibs, now freed from their shells, are then ground down into a fine paste, known as chocolate liquor. This thick, aromatic substance is the foundation of our chocolate products and contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The next step in our delicious journey is to create the basic chocolate mixture. We combine the ground cacao with cocoa butter, sugar, and other carefully selected ingredients like vanilla and lecithin. This combination transforms the chocolate liquor into a smooth, rich chocolate base. As the ingredients meld together, they create a symphony of flavors that will later delight the taste buds. Once we have our chocolate base ready, it's time to pour it into intricately designed molds. Each mold is unique, crafted to give the chocolate its final shape. Whether it's classic bar shapes, fun animal designs, or seasonal motifs, the molds reflect our commitment to creativity and craftsmanship. As the warm chocolate fills the molds, it cascades in a way that captures the eye, creating an anticipation of the deliciousness to come. While the chocolate molds cool and set, we turn our attention to the creation of small cereal bars. These delightful bars are not just a snack, they're a fusion of taste and texture. The first step involves carefully measuring out the grains, seeds, and nuts that will become the base of these bars. The mixture is blended together, incorporating everything from oats and puffed rice to sunflower seeds, ensuring a delightful crunch with every bite. With the ingredients prepped, it's time for the fun part, coating the cereal bars with our freshly made chocolate. The chocolate flows smoothly over the bars, enveloping them in a rich layer of flavor. This process not only adds sweetness, but also ensures that each bar is coated evenly, creating a mouth-watering treat that looks as good as it tastes. Once coated, the bars are pressed into larger molds, forming substantial bars that will be cut down into bite-sized portions later. As the chocolate molds cool, the next exciting phase begins, creating milk chocolate. In a separate section of the factory, the basic chocolate mixture is blended with milk powder and other ingredients to achieve that creamy, indulgent flavor that we all adore. The milk chocolate mixture undergoes grinding, ensuring it's silky smooth, before being carefully stirred in large mixers. As the mixture heats, the rich aroma of milk chocolate fills the air, making it almost impossible to resist sampling a spoonful. Once the milk chocolate is perfectly blended, it is poured into smaller molds, similar to those used for dark chocolate. The sight of the silky milk chocolate being poured into molds is truly mesmerizing, each mold capturing the essence of comfort and sweetness. But the magic doesn't end here. This milk chocolate will also be used to coat additional cereal bars, elevating their flavor profile even further. As the chocolate sets, the larger bars, now cooled and firm, are sliced into perfectly portioned pieces. This attention to detail ensures that every bar is uniform and ready for consumption. Each piece is then carefully wrapped, preserving the freshness and flavor of the chocolate inside. The small chocolate treats are individually wrapped in shiny foil, ready to make their way to eager snackers everywhere. Meanwhile, our granola bar production line is in full swing. A variety of nuts, seeds, and grains are carefully measured and mixed together, creating a wholesome blend that will provide both texture and nutrition. Once mixed, the granola mixture is pressed into large slabs, which will be cut down into individual bars. This process involves applying just the right amount of pressure to ensure the bars hold together while maintaining their crunch. With the granola mixture pressed and shaped, it's time to add the finishing touch, a luscious layer of dark chocolate. The rich chocolate is poured over the granola bars, creating a beautiful contrast of colors. Each bar is then cut into individual pieces, ensuring that every serving is perfectly sized. To enhance the presentation, a final drizzle of dark chocolate is artfully added, making each granola bar a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. After the bars are fully coated and set, they undergo a stringent quality control check. Each batch is passed through a metal detector, ensuring that they meet the highest safety standards. This step is crucial, as we prioritize the health and safety of our consumers above all else. Now, the chocolate and granola bars are ready for the final stages of production. Large batches of chocolate bars are shaped and cooled to maintain their structure. The production line operates seamlessly, with liquid chocolate being pumped into molds, where it begins to take shape. Once cooled, these bars are wrapped individually, preserving their quality and ensuring they reach consumers in perfect condition. As the chocolate bars are packaged, the conveyor belt whirs steadily along, transporting finished products through the facility. The chocolate is expertly cut into neat pieces, with each slice showcasing the glossy finish and rich interior. These treats are placed on the conveyor, making their way to the packaging area where they will be labeled and prepared for distribution. In another corner of the factory, a new batch of cereal bars awaits. The mixture, now coated in smooth chocolate, is cut down into individual servings, ready to be enjoyed. A roll of high-quality packaging film is used to wrap each chocolate-covered bar, sealing in freshness and flavor. As the bars are wrapped and placed onto the conveyor belt, it's clear that each one is a testament to the artistry and care that goes into every step of the production process. Finally, the products are packed into boxes, ready for shipment. Each box is labeled and sealed, ready to make its way to stores and homes, where eager consumers await their chance to indulge in these sweet delights. The factory buzzes with activity as workers ensure that everything is running smoothly, and the atmosphere is filled with the delightful sense of chocolate and freshly baked goods. This intricate process, from the careful roasting of cacao beans to the final packaging of delicious chocolate and granola bars, showcases the passion and dedication of everyone involved. Each bar represents not just a tasty snack, but a labor of love that brings joy to countless people. Whether it's a midday pick-me-up, a post-workout snack, or a sweet treat to share with friends, these chocolate and granola bars are crafted to delight and satisfy. So, join us as we celebrate the art of chocolate and granola bar production, where every step is an essential part of creating something truly special. Enjoy the journey from bean to bar and discover the deliciousness that awaits in every bite.